Let's see some topics and grammar tips for DELE A2 oral exam. First topic would be a place that you visited. Name of the place, why did you go there, what was the length of your trip, who accompanied you, where did you stay, how did you go, what did you do on your trip, any anecdote about the trip and your next trip. Second topic could be profession. They may expect you to talk about your profession. Why do you like a particular profession? What are ideal characteristics of becoming a particular professional? Your educational qualification, your professional experience, if there has been a special moment in the past that you remember, what are the best qualities of a colleague or a boss? And given a choice, in which profession would you like to work? One more suggestion would be a moment in the past, a special moment in the past. What was the moment? Where were you when you heard the news? Who were with you? What did you do after that, the whole day? And how did you feel? Now moving on to the grammar. I always say that language is not like mathematics. A topic which was taught in the 9th grade will not be there in the 10th grade. Well, perhaps, but it doesn't happen in languages. So A2 will always be a combination of A1 and some new topics in A2. So everything that was there in this video plus pretérito imperfecto, pretérito indefinito and pretérito perfecto, when to use what and the conjugations, both the things. I can't stress enough conjugations because it is so sad that you know where to use what and then you forget about the conjugations. Well, you lose marks for really no reason. Along with these use characters like por, para, porque, y, además, ya, todavía no, and por eso, etc. Do study the uses of ser and estar. Do you want us to prepare you for the exam? Well, contact us on these numbers and we'll respond you very soon. Happy learning!